So here I am discussing design of monopole antenna. To create a monopole antenna we need a cylinder and ground plane. Okay, so first I will explain how to create a cylinder. So just click here, draw cylinder. Okay, now drag the mouse like this. Now click here and drag like this, and again click and move upward direction. Automatically one cylinder will be created. Okay, now you have to move the cylinder to this point, then you have to change the coordinates of this cylinder. Okay, so here I already created one cylinder, just see the coordinates of that cylinder. Okay, just click on create cylinder. We can see the coordinates 0, 0, 0.125, that is the center of the cylinder, and this is the radius of the cylinder and height of the cylinder. So if you type like this, okay, then automatically this cylinder will be goes to this point. Okay, now I am deleting this one. Just if you click delete, then automatically this will be deleted. Okay, now I already said the parameters of the cylinder. Just click on create cylinder. See here, these are the coordinates of this cylinder. If you type like this, automatically one cylinder will be created. Okay, next you have to change the name. How you change? Just double click on this one and type monopole, and you have to assign a material PEC. So type on material, click on material and go to edit option, and here the search name, click PEC. Okay, then automatically PEC will be appear here. Just click here and click OK. Automatically PEC material will be assigned. Okay, and we have transparency. Just make transparency either 0.6 like that. Okay, and click apply. OK, so automatically one cylinder will be created. Okay, next you have to create a rectangular sheet. So okay, how you create rectangular sheet? So just click here rectangle, draw rectangle, just single click, drag the mouse and again click. So automatically one rectangle will be created. Now you have to move this rectangular to this position. Okay, so you have to change the coordinates of this rectangle. Okay, I already created, that's why I am deleting this rectangle too. Okay, just I am deleting, and now see this rectangle dimensions. I just named that rectangle is ground. Okay, now see the rectangle dimensions: -10, -20, -0. That is the position. X size and Y size are given. Okay, whenever you give these parameters, automatically this sheet will be created. Okay, rectangular sheet. Okay, now you have to right click, select that sheet, right click, assign boundary perfect E. Click on perfect E. Okay, automatically here perfect E will be appeared. Okay, perfect E. Now see here, click on project manager, HFSS design 1. Now go to boundaries and see here perfect E. So automatically this rectangular sheet will be converted to perfect E material. Okay, this can be seen in boundaries. Okay, now we created a monopole, this one sheet. You can drag we can move like this. Okay, we created cylinder with the dimensions like this. After that we created a rectangular sheet that is named as a ground. Okay, those dimensions are like this, and next you have to create a port. Just I am zooming, scrolling the mouse button. Okay, now I have to create a feed here. Okay, how you create feed? So before going to create feed, go to visibility and select grid as YZ. Okay, now you can see, just scroll the mouse. Now this is in YZ plane. I already created one rectangular plate like this. Okay, you just take a rectangular sheet like this. Okay, and I already created, so I am showing the dimensions of this plate. Okay, lumped port I already created here. So see, these are the dimensions: 0 comma minus 0.0625 comma 0.125, axis x, y size, and z size minus 0.125. Okay, if you keep these dimensions, then automatically this sheet will be formed. Okay, so now I am removing this one because I already created, just delete. Okay, so the dimensions of feed is this one. Okay, now after creating the rectangle sheet, you have to give the feed. So just select that sheet, right click, assign excitation, incident wave, assign excitation, port mode